Right now, thousands of creators are canceling their Midjourney and other paid image generator subscriptions because Google has released something unbelievable. You can now build your own AI image generator completely free. No coding, no datasets, and no hosting required. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a fully working, high-quality image generator using Google AI Studio without spending a single cent. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to set up your generator, allow users to choose styles and aspect ratios, customize the interface, and publish your tool instantly so anyone can use it. Google recently introduced a major upgrade called vibe coding, and it changes everything. Instead of paying monthly for tools that restrict your creativity, vibe coding lets you build your own tools simply by describing what you want. No fees, no limitations, and no paywalls. You can create chatbots, video utilities, and full image generators powered by the new Gemini models. This means the outputs become more realistic, more consistent, and fully customizable. To get started, open Google AI Studio in your browser. Click Build to start a new vibe coding project. The interface is clean and simple, and in the center, you'll find a space where you describe the tool you want to create. You can type your idea, use voice input, or click the I'm feeling lucky button for instant app suggestions. You can even upload images or files and let Gemini build tools around them automatically. Now let's create our free AI image generator without writing any code. Here's the instruction I'm using. Create a web app that uses the Nano Banana image generation model. The user should type a text description, choose an artistic style from a dropdown, and select an aspect ratio. When the Generate Image button is clicked, send all three inputs to the Nano Banana model and display the generated image. Include a clean, modern interface with clear labels, a responsive layout, and a section that shows loading status while the image is being generated. Click Build, and Google AI Studio will construct the entire app for you. The result is incredible. The image generator is instantly ready, and AI Studio automatically names it Nano Banana Studio. You'll see a prompt box, a style selector, an aspect ratio selector, and a panel with useful tips. The UI is clean, modern, and exactly what we asked for. One of the best parts of vibe coding is how easily you can customize anything. For example, if you don't like the background color, simply type, change the background to dark blue. Press enter, wait a moment, and the entire interface updates automatically. There is no coding, and everything feels professional and smooth. You can also switch to mobile or tablet view to see how your tool looks on different screens. Now let's test the application. I'm entering a detailed prompt. A close-up portrait of an elderly woman with a realistic skin texture. I'm choosing the style photorealistic and selecting the aspect ratio 3:4. Click Generate, and instantly the model begins processing. The result looks like a real studio photograph with clear pores, fine wrinkles, gray hair strands, and natural light reflections in the eyes. And yes, the aspect ratio is perfect. Let's try another example. This time, a full-body portrait of a confident, fashion-forward woman posing for the camera. Style, photorealistic, aspect ratio 16:9. The result looks like something produced by a premium tool. The background blur is natural, the outfit is detailed, and even the hands have no distortions. This is why creators are canceling their paid subscriptions. You can create stunning visuals for free. Let's take this tool to the next level by adding image-to-image editing. I type the instruction, add image-to-image capability so users can upload a reference image, enter editing instructions, and generate a modified version. After a moment, the entire interface updates automatically. There is now an image upload section, an edit instructions box, and a new button for generating edited images. Let's test it. I upload a photo of a woman wearing a black t-shirt. Then I write, change her hairstyle to short curly black hair and change her top to a red blouse. I keep the aspect ratio the same and click Edit Image. The result is shocking. The model changes her hairstyle and outfit while keeping her identity, pose, lighting, and environment exactly the same. When viewed side by side, the accuracy is unbelievable. No Photoshop, no masking, and no paid tools required. In just a few minutes, we built a complete image generator and a full image editor entirely for free. Google AI Studio gives you full control. You can copy your app, Download the project files, save it to GitHub, deploy it instantly, or share a live link so anyone can use it. You built it, and you control it. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with a friend, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. And before you go, Google has introduced Nano Banana Pro, and its capabilities are shocking. Check out the next video to see what it can do. You don't want to miss it.